To begin exploring families, let's select the sofa component in the living room. Next, open the family editor to see the component definition. Select the coffee table, which will then allow us to edit the extrusion. The coffee table was made by extruding a square sketch from the ground. Now select the side table and open the Edit Extrusion tool. This table was also made by extruding a sketch above the ground. Next, select the backrest. This time we are given the option to select Sweep. This part of the sofa was made by running a sketch along a path. Let's open a family not in our project and examine it in depth. Choose to open a family. Let's choose the shaker bed for this example. We can now examine how the parts of this bed were made. After selecting the headboard, footboard and mattress, we can see that they are all made by extruded various shapes from various planes. Now let's edit the family type dialog. From here we can select different types in order to examine the parameters. Each type has different dimensions applied to them. They can also be assigned different materials and finishes. Now let's modify this family to fit our needs. First, save the file as a new one so we don't overwrite the existing one. Name the new file bed 4 posts. To begin, let's remove the rail on the headboard. Now let's change the pattern on the headboard. Select the headboard and edit the extrusions. Switch to an appropriate elevation. Select the boundary lines and move them to a desired location. Finish the sketch and return to a 3D view to see the changes. Instead of adding or deleting existing forms, we can add new forms to the family. Select the reference level under Floor Plans. Under the Home tab, open the Extrusion tool. Now let's sketch a square that will be extruded to create one of our posts. Finish the sketch. Notice that the extrusion starts at 0 and ends at 250 mm. Change this to 1500 mm to extend the height. Now we can select the extrusion and assign a new material. Assign the same material as the frame of the bed and select OK. Now In the floor plan, let's mirror the post over the center axis to place another post on the other side. Copy these two posts to the other side of the bed. Now return to a 3D view to see the finished bed. In the Family Types dialog, we can also create new types. Under Names, we can see the types already created. Click New and let's name our new type California King. For this new type, we can now choose a new width and length. Our new type will appear with the other types, and we can apply our new type to the model. When finished, let's save the type to keep the changes. Select Place a Component. Notice that our new component is not available as a file. Open the Load Family dialog and locate our bed. Now place an instance into the model. After selecting the bed, we can change the type in order to get a more appropriate size. We can then select the bed and edit its type properties in order to change parameters such as materials used.